In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API token using Cloudflare. This process is straightforward and ensures you're able to access Cloudflare's features programmatically, which is particularly useful if you're looking to automate tasks or integrate with other services. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Cloudflare website. You can do this by simply opening up your web browser and navigating to cloudflare.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for those who have their logins ready, just sign into your existing account. Once you're logged in and find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard, you'll want to locate your profile area. This is usually found on the upper right corner of the page, but depending on any personalizations or updates to the site, it could differ slightly. So give it a careful look and find either your name or an icon representing your account. Once you've clicked into your profile, you're going to look for the section called API Tokens. This section is crucial if you're planning to interact with Cloudflare services via APIs, as it's where you'll manage your keys and tokens. After clicking into API Tokens, you'll arrive at a page where any existing tokens would be listed. But as we're creating a new one, let's focus on generating a fresh token. You'll want to look for a button or link labeled Create Token. Once located, give it a click. You'll then be prompted to fill out some necessary information. Now, it's important to take your time here. You're likely to see fields that require you to input a name for your token, define what permissions it has, and possibly set specific conditions or IP restrictions, depending on the level of security you desire. This is where you tailor the token to fit your specific needs, whether it's to read certain settings or modify others. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, finalize the process. This could be a button labeled Create or Save, which will take everything you've specified and generate the token for you. Keep in mind, this token is like a key to your account's special functions, so handle it with care, much like a password or any other sensitive information. And there you have it. With these few steps, we've successfully created an API token in Cloudflare. You can now use this token to access Cloudflare's API services, integrate it with other applications, and streamline your workflow. Remember, if at any point you need to revoke the token or change its permissions, you can always return to the API Tokens section in your profile to manage it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide makes your task a breeze.